find where my hope is.
We interrupt this programming for a severe weather bulletin on KJRL.
And good evening, 7:15. Craig, in the studio, we do have now a confirmed tornado that has been reported. Tornado warning in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Lincoln and northern Ellsworth counties. At 7:10, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles north of Ellsworth, and that was moving to the east around 30 miles per hour. 2-inch hail also possible with this storm. Weather spotters did confirm a tornado at 7:08 p.m., 7 miles north of Ellsworth. So, again, if you're in the Lincoln, Beverly, Westfall area, also Ellsworth Airport, please take shelter right now. This tornado will affect I-70 between mileposts 218 and 225. Again, that's 218 and 225. So if you are on I-70 and you have a chance to get off now and get to shelter right away. We are taking a look at, it's a pretty heavy-duty circulation going on here for that Lincoln and Ellsworth tornado warning. We'll get you up to date on that as soon as we can.
This has been a severe weather update on KJRL. Keeping your family safe when severe weather strikes. KJRL. With an update, here's Craig.
And good evening, 7:23. Craig in the studios tracking these severe thunderstorms that are producing tornadoes in the heartland. A tornado warning remains in effect till 7:30 for eastern Cloud County. Around 7:19, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Aurora, moving to the northeast at 30 miles per hour. We're looking to see if there's any storm reports from that area. 8 miles west of Aurora, this is coming in about 10, 11 minutes ago. Tornado crossed the highway. That was Highway 81. Power poles have been snapped. And we are also tracking that tornado warning that is in effect for Lincoln and Ellsworth counties. We're going to get an update on that. A confirmed tornado was located 7 miles north of Ellsworth. That was moving east at 30 miles per hour. Weather spotters did confirm a tornado at 7:08. If you were traveling on I-70, as a matter of fact, between mile markers 218 and 225, the majority of this rotation is right there. And we have several storm spotters who are currently tracking this tornado right along that area, and we're trying to get everything caught up with what we can see as far as these tornado warnings are concerned. But if you are in that area, please get to shelter immediately. If you're in that Westfall area, it looks like we got some rotation there. Tornado warning has been issued. This is going to be for southeastern Republic County, southwestern Washington County, northwestern Clay County, and northeastern Cloud County until 8 p.m. Confirmed tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Concordia. That was moving to the northeast at 30 miles per hour. Also 2-inch egg-size hail with this storm. Now, this tornado will be near Clyde around 7:45, Clifton around 7:55. This is a confirmed tornado on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Protect yourself from flying debris. Again, if you're in the Clyde and Clifton area, we've got a tornado that is on the ground. Now, there's a new tornado warning that has just been issued also for northwestern Saline County. Till 7:45, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Beverly. That was moving to the northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated threat. Locations impact include Glendale, also I-70 between mile markers 236 and 242. We have lots of things coming in right now. Okay, we're going to stay with some coverage of this storm. We got a storm report coming in 6 miles south of Concordia in Cloud County. A tornado was reported around 7:17. Spotter was on Highway 81 reporting a multi-vortex tornado. Now, what that means is several tornadoes in a confined area, and that's usually what forms the large wedge tornadoes. So that's a very serious situation, a multi-vortex tornado, and that report is coming in from 6 miles south of Concordia in Cloud County. This storm cell seems to be moving east-northeast right along I-70, heading towards the Salina area. We're praying that this is going to go north of Salina, but as of right now, if you are in Salina, you're going to want to be paying very close attention as this rotation is starting to go through. We have storm spotters that are still in the area. So what we're going to do is we're going to regroup. As soon as we get new information, we will be interrupting programming. Again, I apologize for that. Tornado warnings in effect for the following counties: Clay, Cloud, Republic, Washington, Ellsworth, Lincoln, Ottawa, and Saline. We'll keep you up to date here on KJIL.
This has been a severe weather update on KJIL. Keeping your family safe when severe weather strikes. KJIL. With an update, here's Craig.
And a good evening, 20 minutes to 8, and a tornado warning remains in effect till 8 p.m. for southwestern Washington, northwestern Clay, and northeastern Cloud counties. Around 7:36, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Aurora, moving to the northeast around 25 miles per hour. This is a dangerous situation. Take cover now. This tornado will be in the Clyde area here within the next few minutes, along with Clifton that is, and Vining around 8 p.m. If you are in that area, please take cover right now, as there is a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado that was located about 10 minutes ago near Aurora, moving to the northeast at 25 miles per hour. That's pretty slow, so it could be a pretty destructive tornado. If you are in that area, please seek shelter right away. If you are in the Culver area, it looks like that's going to be heading towards you next. So if you're in the Culver area, please take shelter, as the largest rotation from there is present and will be there within the next few minutes. Back to the Cloud County tornado warned storm. We want to give you some updates here as far as the storm tracking itself. Looks to be near Clifton right now. If you are in the Morganville area, you could possibly see this tornado too. The tornado warning continues for Clay, Cloud, Washington counties, and that's until 8 p.m. We will keep you informed here on KJIL.
This has been a severe weather update on KJIL.
Salina Concrete Products shares this.
And a good evening. We got quite a situation happening right now. Well, let's get into it. Confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Tescott, Saline County, southwestern Ottawa County area, moving to the northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a confirmed large wedge tornado. This tornado will be near Minneapolis around 8 o'clock. Okay, this is a large and extremely dangerous tornado on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Currently, we're looking at radar right now as far as what we see, the Tescott area. It's going to be southeast of Tescott, north of 60th Road, heading towards Highway 81. And this is going to be moving to the northeast. We have storm spotters on the ground. I am currently looking at what appears to be a very large tornado from one of our storm spotters, who is located currently on Lockard Road, Saline County, just southwest of Culver. Appears to be looking to the north, and we can see a lot of rotation, and it looks like it could be a rain-wrapped tornado too. So we want to take extra precaution on this one. If you are in the Culver area, you're going to be seeing this probably more to the north. We could see that coming through very soon. Let's see, Culver around 7:53, so that's right about now. large, extremely dangerous tornado on the ground currently in that area. Looks like our storm chaser, if you're familiar with Lockard Road at the intersection of Lockard and House, this is where our storm spotter is, looking at some pretty heavy-duty rotation wedge tornado. This has been reported by a National Weather Service employee, too. It's 2 miles east of Tescott, and that is moving to the east-northeast. It looks like right along State Highway 18. This is a confirmed tornado, and it's pretty heavy duty right now. We're looking at another storm spotter, and we're going to get his location to see where he's at, because he seems to have a good vantage point of this tornado, that which appears, from what we can see from live video stream, on the ground. So it's going to be just to the east of Tescott, also in the Culver area. There's a slew of tornado warnings out right now, and we're trying to get all the information we can on them. The one we're looking at right now that is of the most seriousness at this point appears to be in the Ottawa County area. Taking a storm report right now, 6 miles southeast of Tescott. National Weather Service employees reporting that a tornado is on the ground, large and rain-wrapped. You will not be able to see it. A tornado was reported 3 miles north of Glendale, 7 miles north of Russell. This is in Russell County. That's hail. Also, Ottawa County, 1 mile south of Tescott. Tornado damage was reported to a home. Occupants seem to be okay for now. We're starting to get reports in of damage from this tornado. Tornado warning is in effect for southern Ottawa County. This is the newest warning that has come out. 7:53. A confirmed large and dangerous tornado was located near Tescott. That's the one we've been talking about this time. Moving to the northeast, 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Now, the tornado will be in the Minneapolis area around 8:10. Bennington around 8:15, Wells around 8:25. Now, heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This is extremely dangerous a situation, as that is on the ground. I've had a chance to look at some live streaming of this tornado. It is pretty large size, so that's going on. Appears over radar, from what we can see, is this is going to be to the northeast of Culver and heading towards the Bennington area. At least that's what we can see from radar at this point. It's just about to Highway 81. Neighbor Todd joining me, and it's been quite a night so far, sir.
It has been, and a nice thing is we don't have a whole lot of reports of too much major damage or anything like that. So,
at least not yet. I know right. Crews are now heading out to some of the areas that were hit. I think we heard something from the Culver area, right? Was there a report in from the Culver area?
Yeah, Culver area looked like at 8:01 a tornado was reported. Reports of power lines down on K18. Poles are snapped to the ground.
Okay.
That's the latest report I have on that.
The unfortunate thing is this is just day one, Todd, of this multi-day severe weather outbreak.
Yeah,
so,
and we just looks like we have another report in here. Damage report in Clay County, 20th and Jayhawk, power lines and trees down.
So that's in Clay County. As we know right now, from the information we have, there is still a confirmed tornado located. It's going to be south of Minneapolis. This has probably moved on since the last time it was reported. I'm going to take a look at where this rotation is on this storm. Yeah, it's well past Minneapolis, just to the northeast of Bennington, to the south of Wells, right between those two. Oh, we're just getting a report in right now. Stand by. This is a text report coming in from our own Linda Emig, looking at that wedge tornado south of Culver. So currently, it's still on the ground. So from what Linda is telling us, a big wedge.
It's been on the ground for quite a while.
It sure has. It sure has. I mean, there's just a lot going on. We will keep you update here on KJIL.